Cryptocurrency may have begun as a maverick-dominated Wild West of investment, but it is now firmly entrenched in the financial mainstream. Despite recent volatility and governmental crackdowns in China and elsewhere, institutional investors and large banks regard it as a genuine asset. Consider the following as evidence of how volatile the market is. Over the previous year, Bitcoin's value has ranged from a low of $28,893.62 to an all-time high of $68,789.63 as of March 8th. And despite that volatility, many cryptocurrency investors remain on the lookout for the next big payoff. Keep watching to learn which cryptocurrencies might explode soon. And before we begin, we'd like to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is the new currency in today's world, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you the most accurate and up-to-date knowledge to be successful in life and in business. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking on the button below. Hit the like button and turn the notification bell on. That way, you'll be the first to know about my new videos. 1. Bitcoin BTC. Most cryptocurrency investors will want to preserve a portion of their crypto allocation in Bitcoin, and the previous month is a solid indication of why. No one should consider digital assets to be safe haven investments, but BTC is the closest thing to a blue-chip cryptocurrency available. As proven by its success in difficult times, despite the recent instability, Bitcoin's market dominance has increased from 42% to 43.1%. As more speculative and unproven coins have lost much of their shine, although BTC has been trading below $40,000 for much of the year, the top cryptocurrency in the world is currently trading at $44,000 at the time of this writing. 2. Ether ETH. There's Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then there's everyone else in the crypto realm. BTC and Ether ETH are the only two must-have cryptos, as each has a long, at least in the world of digital currencies, track record, a hard-earned brand name, and a loyal investment base. Unlike Bitcoin, the Ethereum network was designed to enable the brave new world of smart contracts and decentralized finance, or DeFi, probably one of the most potentially disruptive developments of the 21st century. DeFi eliminates the need for traditional financial intermediaries such as banks, brokers, and exchanges, allowing for fully trustless financial transactions. The most significant disadvantage of the Ethereum network, which is by far the most widely used blockchain network in the world, is the high cost of completing a transaction. However, this is a known issue, and developers are working tirelessly to bring the significantly cheaper and more energy-efficient Ethereum 2.0 network to fruition in the next year or so. Recently, a newly formed decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO, raised $3 million in Ethereum for the Ukrainian army. 3. Solana, or Sol. While the Bitcoin versus Ethereum discussion is interesting in its own right, it has an apples and oranges flavor to it. Bitcoin is a more traditional peer-to-peer payment system, whereas Ethereum's wider aims as a network enable decentralized programs to be developed on top of it, making it more infrastructure than currency. A more appropriate argument, according to Solana, is about which network will emerge as the leader in decentralized finance. While Ethereum is the current forerunner, with a market capitalization of more than $360 billion, Solana is a top 10 cryptocurrency in its own right, with a $32 billion market value. More importantly, its network fees are far lower than Ethereum's at the moment. Thus, the longer Ethereum 2.0 takes to become online, the greater the possibility for Sol to close the gap. 4. FTX Token, or FTT. FTX is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with an emphasis on institutional trading and cryptocurrency derivatives. The firm provides options, swaps, and futures on some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, all while charging low competitive costs. The platform's primary currency is the FTX Token, which has seen spectacular growth in recent years as retail and institutional interest in digital assets has skyrocketed. Since the beginning of 2020, the token has increased by more than 2,000%, rising from $2.14 to almost $47 today. Purchasing FTT is not just speculation or a bet on a meme, it's a gamble on the FTX's platform growth and expanding network effects. In a new round of funding in January, FTX was valued at $32 billion, up from a $25 billion estimate in October. 5. Avalanche or AVAX. When a market is large enough, numerous winners can emerge. This is true in the field of smart contracts and decentralized finance, where Ethereum is the dominating network, but blockchains like Solana and Avalanche are also competing for a piece of the pie. Since the beginning of 2021, Avalanche has risen more than 2,700%, rising from the low $3 area to a price of $90. Every day that the much-anticipated Ethereum 2.0 network does not launch is a triumph for low-fee Ethereum competitors like Avalanche and Solana. AVAX is a top 10 cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, with a total valuation of more than $22 billion. Avalanche's market share has increased from 0.1% to 1.1% in the last year. 6. Binance or BNB. BNB is the native cryptocurrency of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and is another bet on a strong and rising ecosystem that's helping to bring people into the crypto realm. According to February's trading data, Binance's daily trading volume was nearly double that of the second largest exchange by volume, with $22.1 billion in volume compared to $12.1 billion on Mandala Exchange. For comparison, Coinbase Global Incorporated, or Coin, had only $4.9 billion in volume during the same period. Coinbase is currently worth almost $50 billion, and Binance has several successful decentralized projects that are impacting the rapid expansion of the cryptocurrency industry, and it is widely regarded as the top contender to one day join Bitcoin and Ethereum as a blue-chip digital asset. 7. Uniswap or UNI. UNI, the governance token for Uniswap, the world's top decentralized exchange, or DEX, by trading volume, with around one-third of the market, is one of the finest cryptocurrencies to buy. That's a commanding position in a lucrative and expanding segment of the DeFi ecosystem. While Serum DEX, the second leading decentralized exchange for trading volume, controls only 8.9% of the market. Uniswap is an automated market maker founded by an Ethereum developer that allows coin owners to swap or convert a broad selection of top crypto tokens for one another at minimal fees and without the burden of creating an account or supplying their names. Uniswap isn't even a top 20 token at the moment, but its brand recognition and early mover advantage in the DEX market and increased liquidity make it an appealing option for a risk-tolerant investor. Always keep in mind the volatility. The 52-week high for Uniswap is $44.97, and the 52-week low is $7.59. 8. Terra or Luna. Terra is a stablecoin blockchain payment network that focuses on maintaining a balance between two types of cryptocurrency. Stablecoins backed by Terra, such as Terra USD, are linked to the value of actual currencies. Luna, their counterbalance, powers the Terra platform and is utilized to create new Terra stablecoins. Terra stablecoins and Luna act in tandem based on supply and demand. When the price of a stablecoin rises above the value of its connected currency, users are incentivized to burn their Luna to create more Terra stablecoin. Similarly, as its value declines with its base currency, users are encouraged to burn their Terra stablecoins to manufacture more Luna. As the Terra platforms gain popularity, the value of Luna rises. 9. Algorand or Algo. Algo, developed by renowned computer scientist Silvio Macaulay, has positioned itself as a rival to the Ethereum blockchain. According to securities.io, it is used by hundreds of organizations, and it received a significant boost last year when El Salvador announced that it would construct its blockchain infrastructure using Algorand and borderless finance. A venture capital firm recently created a $500 million fund to invest in digital currencies that powers decentralized applications on Algorand, according to Blockworks. Sovereign SOV and Marshall Islands Central Bank digital currency also employs Algorand. One of Algo's most significant features is its proof-of-stake algorithm, which provides a high level of security and scalability while using less energy than Bitcoin and other platforms. This functionality will become even more important as cryptocurrencies face increased criticism and even regulation for their huge energy uses. 10. Decentraland, or Mana. Decentraland is an Ethereum blockchain-based virtual reality game that employs the Mana token as in-game currency. Users can buy goods and services, land, and visit other players' properties, as well as create and monetize their content. Mana's current price is $2.38, is a 543% rise from its 52-week low of around 37 cents. Mana is the most valuable gaming cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, although it faces competition from The Sandbox and Axie Infinity, and assets are relatively expensive. The going market for land, according to Benzinga, is roughly $4,000. It has significant advantages that could propel this token forward. Users, for example, maintain ownership of digital assets created in Decentraland and can convert them to cryptocurrencies other than Mana. That's all for today's video, fellas. Thanks for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you. And if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comments section. I'll try my best to sort out your confusion. Till then, stay tuned and keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.